going to make a parrot model. For doing this activity, the materials given in the Braindemics kit are quilling papers, big circle cutout and medium size circle cutout and googly eyes and leaf cutout, and we will require Fevicol. Let's get started. First, take the big circle cutout and fold the big circle cutout like this. Now, take Fevicol and apply Fevicol on edge of the paper like this. Now, take another circle cutout and paste it here like this. Now, flip this like this. Then take leaf cutout and apply Fevicol on edge of the leaf cutout. And paste it on circle cutout like this. And press it like this. Again, flip this like this. Then take quilling paper. Now, fold the quilling paper like this and take Fevicol and apply Fevicol on edge of the quilling paper. And paste it here like this. And press it like this. Again, take another quilling paper and fold it like this and apply Fevicol on edge of the quilling paper like this and paste it here and press it like this. Now, turn this Now take googly eye and apply Fevicol on googly eyes like this and paste it on circle cutout like this. That's it. Our parrot model is ready. Enjoy this activity.